Hey everyone! In TradingView, you can actually profit from falling prices using paper trading. Today, I'm showing you the exact steps to place a short position so you can practice your sell high, buy low strategy without risking a cent. Let's get into the chart. First, navigate to the bottom of your screen and click on the Trading Panel tab. Look for the Paper Trading icon by TradingView and click Connect. This activates your virtual account with $100,000 of play money ready for you to start simulated trading. Now, look at the right-hand sidebar and click the arrows icon to open the order panel. Alternatively, you can right-click anywhere on the chart, hover over Trade, and select Create New Order. This is where you'll configure the specifics of your short. Step 3. Select the sell side. This is the most important part. At the very top of the order panel, make sure you click the Sell button. Shorting is a sell-first operation. You can choose a market order for an instant fill or a limit order if you want to enter the trade only when the price hits a specific high point. Step 4. Set your protection, stop loss, and take profit. Before you hit the button, toggle the Take Profit and Stop Loss options. For a short, your stop loss goes above the current price to protect you if the market rises, and your take profit goes below the current price. You can set these by price level or by the exact dollar amount you're willing to risk. Step 5. Execute the trade. Check your quantity and margin requirements at the bottom, then click the big red Sell button. You'll see your position appear on the chart instantly. To close the trade later and take your profit, simply hit the X on your position label or click Close Position in the trading panel. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.